what is digital transformation? We're talking about radically rethinking your business model and fundamentally changing how business is done.
The success of organizations, teams, and individuals depends on designing the right teams and supporting those teams as they improvise.
This course is going to cover ways in which you and your organization can tap into the crowd and the wisdom of the crowd in what you do every day.
Data is so integral to everything we do now, and understanding how to find the patterns and then communicate those patterns is key.